BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF sees record outflows, and crypto platforms go offline after a Cloudflare outage. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. BlackRock's IBIT ETF is facing its toughest month since the product's launch in January 2024, registering a record $1.26 billion in net outflows in November. According to data tracked by Soso Value, this outflow is part of a broader trend affecting the market, with 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs collectively experiencing withdrawals totaling $2.59 billion. IBIT's price has also collapsed 16% to $52, the level last seen on April 22nd. Data suggests traders are aggressively hedging against further downside. The 250-day put call skew has surged to a 7-month high, indicating that bearish put options are now at their most expensive relative to calls since the spring. As of this morning, Bitcoin dipped to just above $93,000. Utility or privacy? The transparency of traditional blockchains forces a difficult choice. Break free from this limitation with Midnight. CoinDesk Bitcoin Treasury Month is brought to you by Genius Group, a Bitcoin treasury company listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker GNS. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Take out a crypto-backed loan with Figure today. Stablecoin giant Tether has made a strategic investment in Ledin, one of the foremost providers of Bitcoin-backed consumer loans. While the size of the investment remains undisclosed, the move aims to expand access to capital secured by digital assets. CEO Paulo Arduino said the investment reflects a commitment to financial empowerment through self-custodial credit. Ledin, which shifted to a Bitcoin-only model after the collapse of competitors like BlockFi and Celsius, is seeing record volume. The firm has issued over $1 billion in loans in 2025 alone, nearly matching its entire volume for the previous year. And a widespread Cloudflare outage disrupted major parts of the internet on Tuesday, with users encountering widespread server errors. The downtime hit several crypto platforms, including the Toncoin network, the Arbitrum block explorer, Arbiscan, and data provider DeFi Llama. Crypto exchange BitMEX also confirmed it was investigating issues linked to the service disruption. Cloudflare acknowledged the major outage impacting its dashboard and API, causing its stock, NET, to fall 3.5% this morning. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time. Break the cycle of exploitation, break down the barriers to truth, break into the next generation of privacy, break free. Free to scroll without being monetized, free from censorship, freedom without fear. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network/break-free. CoinDesk Bitcoin Treasury Month is brought to you by Genius Group, a Bitcoin treasury company listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker GNS. Genius is building toward a 10,000 Bitcoin treasury and just launched Genius Academy, featuring courses from Saifedean Ammous and more. Start learning for free today at geniusacademy.ai. Genius Group. Genius isn't measured in IQ, it's measured in Bitcoin. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Whether you're funding a major purchase like a down payment on a home, investing in new opportunities, or even buying more Bitcoin, Figure makes it straightforward and transparent. Take out a crypto-backed loan in the Figure app today.